Hello and very good evening. Lot of questions are coming up from the student side that how they can memorize more, how they can retain the more learning in their mind, and how they can become a successful in their study or while subjecting good marks in their examination. Not many questions often I hear from my young students because they are after all preparing for the coming board examination and they want to secure a better future. सोचने की बात है क्यों ना हम उनको एक ऐसा रास्ता दिखाएं जिससे कि वो अच्छा भी करें और साथ साथ वो हासिल करें जिसके लिए वो अपनी इच्छा जाहिर करना चाहते हैं, जानना चाहते हैं। हमारा जो दिमाग है ये एक बहुत बड़ा नेटवर्क है, इतना बड़ा नेटवर्क की शायद इसके लिए इनफाइनाइट वर्ड ही वो भी काफ़ी नहीं होगा, बिकॉज अनंत, इनफाइनाइट मीन्स अनंत, ह्यूज कैपेसिटी लाइंग इन आवर माइंड, इन आवर ब्रेन. But do we really understand? Do we really use? Do we really assess? I think most of us हम इस चीज़ से वाकिफ ही नहीं है कि हमारे अंदर की जो क्षमता है वो इतनी ज़्यादा है कि अगर हम उसके सही तरह से आकलन करें तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो कि हम इम्पॉसिबल वर्ड से शुरू कर सकें या अनिश्चितताओं के बादल हमारे सामने छाएं. हाँ, ये जरूरी है कि परिश्रम ही एक रास्ता होता है जहाँ से सफलता की सीढ़ियाँ शुरू होती हैं और इसके बाद ये भी नहीं है कि परिश्रम एक बार कर लिया तो रुक गए, इसके बाद सफलता की तरफ देखने लग गए कि सफलता है कहाँ. ये भी एक इनफाइनाइट प्रोसेस है where we remain throughout in our life as a learner. It's not important that you have achieved certain things at one go and then you become the most achievers. No, if you can read out the history of the people, those who have really made the world beautiful for all of us who is living today, it is because of their continuous study, continuous understanding, continuous promoting their thoughts, thinking, creative thinking, all those things were lying in their mind. हम अक्सर कर जो खुला पेज होता है तो उसको पढ़ने में बड़ी दिलचस्पी करते हैं. ये जरूरी है कि we should read the open page, but it is more important we should read the pages which are hidden one. Why I say this? Because teachers teaching in the classroom and then we just assess that everything is done. हमें उसके आगे सोचना है कि जो चीज़ उस सब्जेक्ट से जुड़ी हुई है क्या हम उस क्षेत्र में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नॉलेज एक्वायर कर सकते हैं और उसके लिए हमें क्या क्या साधन उपलब्ध कराने होंगे अपने आप के लिए. बुक्स, दे आर द ग्रेट रिसोर्स ऑफ नॉलेज. सोसाइटी इज आल्सो द ग्रेट रिसोर्स ऑफ नॉलेज. Environment is also great resource of knowledge, and in the combination of everything, the nature, that is the great resource of knowledge. Now if we have the capacity, we will join together everything and learn how best we can put everything together to memorize more. कुछ सिंपल थ्योरीज हैं. पहला तो जैसे कि हमें बचपन में बताया जाता है, द मोर नंबर यू रिपीट, द मोर नंबर यू कीप ऑन लर्निंग, it will automatically enter to your brain and it will create any space, and as and when you need to require the content of it which you have learned, you will be able to do it. But this process may not last long. जैसे कि हम जीवन में देखते हैं कि जो भी हम पढ़ते हैं उसका 50% भाग तो 24 के घंटे के अंदर ही we are likely to miss it. We cannot retain whole of the memory what you have learned throughout a period of 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours until we don't repeat fine. Now, what is more important, if at all someone want to memorize whatever has been learned through magging up, that has to be repeated on piece of paper or copy by writing. As you make more writing, especially I am talking to the student, those who are related to the science, math, physics, chemistry, whatever the courses they are taking, if they can develop an habit of writing and understanding, and then critical thinking, when you write, it does not mean you just copy the things which you have seen, which you have read from book. You need to think out of the contents what you have read, because someone made it, how brilliant he or she, the scientist, the R&D department, all those they worked extra, and that brain lies with us. So in the contents of our memory power, when I talk, we have the huge network, as I told, we have got the system to memorize the things, and there is no limit that this is the content and this is a bag full, you can learn it, until you create an interest in you that this is the part where I need to focus, this is the part, this can build our future. So why not? We must not live in a world of uncertainty when the God has given us a brain that is filled with much of power. We can't even imagine, we can't even think that what the power is available with us. So reading habit apart from writing habits, and make sure what you learn within 24 hours, at least you make the revision of it at least twice to thrice, and thereafter also a writing practice. And then, once you go on bed, I know the sleep is very important part of anybody's life. They must have sound sleep so that the brain also get freshen up. If you have a sound sleep of 8 to 10 hours, then what is more important, if you can just keep the eyes and close for whole of the day, what are the things you have learned, क्या क्या आज पढ़ाई की, क्या क्या इम्पोर्टेंट था, क्या क्या हुआ, अगर इन चीज़ों का हम आकलन शुरू कर देंगे तो वो हमारे लिए और भी इम्पॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. और ऐसी मेमोरी जो कि आपने पढ़ के, समझ के और कई बार लिख के जो प्राप्त स्टोर की है, आई डोंट थिंक एनीबडी विल फॉरगेट. सो इफ यू वांट टू मेमोराइज more of the things, then you need to work on all these three aspects: observing, reading, and learning and then writing, and then again thinking. Involve your thinking, what are the things you have learned. That is how you can achieve a good memory power, and that will help you during your examination to become a successful person. That's what. So thank you.